Everyone, got a 2024 Chevy Trax, and today I'm going to show you how to get to your cabin filter. It's going to be located behind your glove box, so we're going to need to drop it. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper here. What we're going to do is pull it, and it'll disconnect like that. Now there are these stoppers here that we're going to push in on both sides, and then we can lower the glove box. Okay. Now the glove box will actually come off the hinge. Notice here. It's okay, perfectly normal. I'm going to put it back. We just put it right back. And right here is where the cabin filter is. You can see it says right here, filter access door. Right here, you're going to push these tabs in and pull towards you. Both sides. The door just come right off. And then you can pull out the filter. Okay. This one's pretty clean because the car is pretty much new. So we're not going to replace it. Notice where it says here, airflow down. If you need a filter, check the description box. I'll have a link down that takes you to Amazon if you need to get one. Okay, and I have the part number there too. You want that. So once you get it in there, just snap it back together. Close the glove box. And then get the damper. And you just hook it right back up. And we're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me.